In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom for beginners. Whether you're new to online meetings or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the basic features of Zoom, making your virtual communication smooth and efficient. Let's start by logging into Zoom. You'll want to begin by opening the Zoom application on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, simply download it from the official Zoom website and then use your credentials to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard, which forms the hub of all your Zoom activities. Now, let's talk about joining a meeting. If you have a meeting to attend, look for the Join button on your Zoom client. When you click this, you'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID, which you'll likely receive in an invitation from the meeting host. After typing in the meeting ID, don't forget to add your name. Once entered, click Join to be connected right into the meeting room. Hosting your own meeting is just as simple. On your Zoom dashboard, click on New Meeting. From here, you can choose to start the meeting with or without video. It's entirely up to you and what you feel comfortable with. Starting a meeting without video is a great option if you prefer to have conversations without being on camera. The bottom toolbar is your control center during a Zoom meeting, an array of essential tools designed to optimize your meeting experience. First, there's the mute/unmute button for your microphone. This feature is particularly useful when you're not speaking to minimize background noise. You will also find the Start/Stop video button if you want to toggle your video on or off during the session. Sharing your screen is another handy feature you shouldn't overlook. This is especially valuable when you need to show documents, slides, or any other content during your meeting. Simply click on Share Screen, and you'll be guided through selecting the specific content you want to share. Communication during meetings isn't limited to speaking. The chat feature allows you to send written messages to other participants. This can be perfect for sharing links, notes, or thoughts without interrupting the speaker. Next, we have the Participants button. Clicking this will show you a list of everyone currently in the meeting. It's a helpful way to see who's present and who might still be joining. Finally, at the end of the meeting, the way you exit depends on your role. If you're the host, you'll see an option to End Meeting, which closes the session for everyone. If you're a participant, you'll simply click Leave to exit the meeting. And there you have it. With these foundational skills, you are now ready to navigate Zoom confidently, whether you're hosting important discussions or joining meetings as a participant. Happy Zooming!